Titles in film. Titles and what they include. Title sequences are applied at the start of films in order to credit the company, production team, and cast. The aim of titles is also to establish the genre, mood, and atmosphere for the audience. This is done in various ways, such as applying sounds linking to the film or the font of text. An effective title sequence includes the following: an ident/name of production company, director, producer, executive producer, other key job roles such as a costume designer, the main cast, and the film title. Ident and production company. A film company ident is the first title showed in a sequence. This is usually a moving picture of the film company's logo, making it clear to the audience who published the film. Titles also include the name of the production company separate from the ident to be even more clear on what companies are involved with the film. Some popular film idents include Universal, Paramount, and 20th Century Fox. Director. The director is one of the most important job roles within the making of a film, which is why it is vital that they are credited in the title sequence. As the director is someone who directs the making of the film, many title sequences credit them more than once. Below are two examples of title sequences showing the differences in the way they present their credits. The first is The Hunger Games and the second is Black Swan. Producer and executive producer. Another important job role to be included in title sequences is the producer. This is important as the producer works alongside the director in order to make the film effective. In addition to the producer, many titles also credit the executive producer, who has the job to look at the producer's work and make sure that the creation of the film is going well, by ensuring that it is completed on time, within budget, and to standard. Key job roles. Other people who had important roles within the making of the film are also credited in film titles, such as costume designers, music composers, and production designers. These are also important to include. However, job roles vary in different titles depending on what the film company wants to include and feel is important. Main cast. It is important that the main cast are also mentioned in the film titles, not only to credit their acting within the film, but also for the audience to familiarize themselves with actors and actresses they may know of and have an interest in. Title of the film. The title of the film is one of the key elements of a film opening. Apart from telling the audience the name of the film, it also clearly represents the mood and genre for people that are not familiar with it. Titles within different genres. Title sequences at the start of films show the audience a lot about the genre. Therefore, it is very important for the titles to fit the genre of the film. This can be done through the use of text, font, colors, or imagery used. For example, films in the thriller genre such as Seven and Psycho have very simple titles with lack of color to give a dark and gloomy atmosphere, making it clear what type of genre it is. Whereas films within the comedy genre such as Home Alone and The Hangover use more color and imagery in their titles, making them look more fun and alive, which also links to the theme of amusement in their genre.